Its capital, Mogadishu, has been a haven for armed gangs, Islamic militants, and pirates.
But there is yet another terrible evil afflicting the Somali: khat, a mass-consumed drug, which in Somalia is sold in broad daylight.
The Somali market of the gun, this one. American? Armes. $100. $100? Ah. And this? Yes, I've got. $100. Work at Lancer.
It's a poignant image from a country where 2 generations of children have grown up seeing the machines these guns are modeled on used in action. But it may not be just toys boys and girls in Somalia of this age and younger have been handling.
A difficult and bloody civil war in Somalia led to the overthrow of the dictator Siad Barre in 1991. Children as young as 8 take part in the fierce and bitter fighting that continues as the powerful clans now battle each other for supremacy. Mogadishu, a once beautiful city split by a front line dividing disputed clan territories. Armies of the warring factional leaders patrol here.
Warlords had taken advantage of 2 years of civil war to divide the country into areas of personal control. A lack of any coherent government national military force left Somalia completely vulnerable to gangs of armed bandits. They had looted much of the humanitarian assistance and kept it from the hungry and desperate, using it as currency to increase their power and influence.
The history of Somalia over the last 20 years has been equally heartbreaking.